Okay. I'm not. Sit on it.
I'm sitting on it.
Are you having so much fun?
Yeah.
We're literally in the Truman Show. Like that road that just is gonna go to nowhere. And the red brick road. I think we're in the Truman Show.
Yeah. I've never. Okay.
It's okay. Hi guys. How do we do?
We
Did I
wait.
miss my hair instead of so I don't smell the gas?
You should go up so we don't smell the gas.
Let's go. When are we going?
No,
When are we going? When are we
we
going?
can wait.
Come. Look at Mount Tam. Wait, how far is zoom? Holy frick. What's up, y'all? I can't. There it is. We'll be back. Yo, he's chilling. Yeah, that's me for real. It's good? It's better with the salsa.
I like that sauce.
It's good sauce. You like the Home Depot sound effect right now?
Good. Cue it.
Cue it. Oh shoot. Do you think it goes? Do you think it goes?
It definitely goes in.
Do you think it goes in or no? Because look at the clips.
How the hell did you go under? Alright, and then pass me that classic thing. Yo, why's my bulging this time, bro? That ain't good.
Oh, it's okay. I mean, I can't. Alright, grab from. Just push it in, yeah. It's on. Put in. Oh yeah, it's sideways. Yeah, it is supposed to go sideways.
Alright, bro. It's good.
Holy frick, that was a whole fiasco getting in. Just sit in it. Dude, you're so, bro, Serge, you're so low in the. Oh yeah. Is it cold?
No, bro, I gotta go back.
Is it cold? No. Oh, it's actually not that bad.
Get my paddle.
Get his paddle! Oh my goodness. Yeah, how is it? Oh, because the air pocket probably brought it up. Oh, it's actually working really well. Drift it. Yeah, I'm ready. You ain't doing anything.
Yeah, I can see. Hold on. Yeah, I'm pulling straight. You want me to throw it back up to you or what? Yeah. Tighter. Yeah.
Yo.
Okay, that's good.
Alright.
Yes, please. No, I haven't even wrote it yet. Alright. Tighten that.
I haven't even wrote that thing yet. I just got it.
Just tie it to the bar.
Yeah, the chain's a little loose.
Can we pull all the way?
I need to tighten it up. Oh yeah.
Loop it through the thing, pass it to me. Here. Pull that thing. More. Okay, that's good. Whoa. More.
And you ruined the whole thing. There.
More.
Let's go. It's fine.